Making her way to the ring from Tampa, Florida, Alundra.
As we get ready to go here, Byron, I understand you've done a little research as it relates to these two teams.
Believe it or not, Michael, there are rumors circulating in the locker room that both these teams have issues when it comes to being on the same page. So it'll be interesting to see if that comes to fruition at some point here tonight.
Making her way to the ring from Yorktown Heights, New York, Mandy.
Why does the screen always get so blurry when Mandy Rose comes out here?
Because it's like a dream come true, Saxton. Don't talk, just open your eyes and enjoy.
I can't, they're watery.
As Corey calls her the Golden Goddess. Corey, you've gone radio silent.
I'm just enjoying the moment, Cole. I suggest you do the same. If Mandy Rose told me that up was down and down was up, I'd at least do some research on it.
And her opponent, first, from Blackpool, England, Miss Lisa Marie England.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
Oh, this is awesome.
And her opponent, first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, Trish.
Trish Stratus, the first woman to main event a Monday Night Raw.
Plain and simple, she may be the single greatest female superstar to ever step foot in a WWE ring.
Yeah, a true trailblazer in the women's division. What a treat to see Trish Stratus in action here.
This is gonna be fun.
And her opponent, first, from Stanford, North Carolina, Lita.
The 4-time WWE Women's Champion is here.
A woman who has paved her own path, marches to her own beat, and has used it to create a Hall of Fame-worthy career.
A true trailblazer.
If you name it, chances are Lita has done it in a WWE ring.
I'm on my own, against the wall.
Oh, you're looking at the future right here.
And her opponent, first, from Knoxville, Tennessee, Bianca Belair.
WWE Universe, you are looking at a superstar who is simply blessed to be the best, just naturally better than everybody else, even when only doing the bare minimum.
You talk about some of that natural athletic talent, Corey. Bianca's been exceptional her entire life. She earned all SEC and All-American honors in track and field at the University of Tennessee. And if you just ask her, she'll tell you why she's better than everybody else.
You got eyes, Byron, you understand. A freak in the weight room, a beast in the ring. Bianca Belair could do it all.
And she's got a leap.
This should be interesting, guys, as 6 of WWE's top names square off here.
Nice cross body. Drop kick. Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
Neck breaker.
Axe handle finds the mark.
Oh, and a snapmare.
That'll give you whiplash.
Look out. There she goes.
Nasty impact. Ooh, just dropped.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Oh, what a chop block.
Alundra Blaze not in a good place now, though we've seen her come back from worse in the past.
On the mark.
Back in from the floor. Back between the ropes.
What a strike. Oh, an elbow drop. Oh, it's a piercing elbow.
Beautiful technique.
I think Trish Stratus is in some trouble here. Mandy Rose has been called by Corey God's greatest creation. You're the only one, Corey, who calls her that. Why does she have that nickname?
Let me think, Michael Cole. Probably because I have functioning eyeballs. Take a look at Mandy Rose. The creator of the universe spared no expense when crafting.
Uh-oh. We're looking at complete domination here.
Boom! Alundra Blaze from behind.
But can she side slam?
Now that's what I call making a statement.
That'll knock you silly, that's for sure.
You can see the confidence just beaming from her right now.
Oh, what a drop kick.
On the mark.
Oh, right to the body. That hurt. Nasty drop.
Oh, my. Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gonna hurt. What a forearm. Unceremoniously deposited down.
Harsh impact. What a face buster.
Ooh. Oh, sit-out slam.
This might be big. Big reversal for her there. And she's back in the ring now. Down to the floor. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
You gotta believe this one's over. Look at the look in her eyes. She's in the zone now.
Ooh, what impact.
Boom! Oh, she's got her where she wants her.
Harsh impact.
She shows signs of life.
She's showing a lot more than that.
She is on fire.
Ooh! Boom, what impact. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Nailed it.
Looks like she wants to beat her inside the ring. I've seen some unique offenses over the years, Byron, but perhaps the most unique thing I've ever seen is when Bianca whips her opponents with her own hair.
I have never seen.
And here we go from behind.
Slam with authority.
Got every ounce of that one. This could be over. Double underhook applied. Up and beautiful technique.
She has got to take advantage here.
This is exactly what Mandy Rose is waiting for.
To your point about this could be all she wrote.
Oh, nasty impact.
What a strike. And she kicks out with relative ease.
What a match.
She got her with a reversal. Boom, right to the jaw.
Oh, you could pick up your teeth.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Ooh.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
Exhaustion starting to set in on Alundra Blaze. She really needs to think about making a tag, guys.
This woman has absolutely no quit in her, guys. Taking on a little offense like this isn't going to end her night. I can assure you of that.
Well, I still think she has the best shot at winning this match. She just seems one step faster than her opponent here tonight.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Harsh impact.
Oh, nasty impact.
This might be it. Oh, my. Here she goes. Back in the ring now. Oh, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt. Nailed it. Oh, so tear the features clean off your face.
Oh, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
Oh, what impact. She might have it.
Beautiful technique. Big slam.
That should do it. Alundra Blaze is just getting overwhelmed. Bianca Belair, big move coming. Oh, what a slam. That hurt.
She's back in full control now.
Bianca Belair may have just ended this, fellas.
Oh, right to the gut. I think she's trying to prove a point here.
Oh, man, face first. Oof.
She wants to do this in the ring. Oh, right in the face.
Destroyed.
And here she goes.
It'll destroy your face.
She dodges that one.
Oh my gosh, what a dive. Do what you gotta do to maintain the advantage.
She's showing some great effort. We'll see if it lasts.
Oh my goodness, crushing it. Irish whip. She's able to get out of the way there. Looking for a repeat. Oh, the reversal by Trish Stratus. That's not going to do it.
She's still in this one.
Going all the way up. Oh, the crossbody. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one. Look at her go.
She counters before it's too late.
It's like she's tapped into some unseen energy source.
Wow. You gotta believe this one's over. Incoming. Boom, what impact. Boom. Boom, what impact.
Beautiful technique.
Ah, what a neck breaker.
Oof. She's able to turn it on in a flash.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
You gotta believe this one's over. Harsh impact. What a stomp. Good grief. Look out. There she goes. And Lita reverses it.
Really working over the body.
And she goes down hard.
That'll leave a mark.
Oh, nasty impact.
Game, set, match. This one is over. The situation just got real bad for Bianca Belair.
Oh, knee right to the spine. Drop kick. She's calling her out.
Look out. She
Looks like Alundra Blaze is in huge trouble here.
And that's twice now.
And that one takes her down.
Turn out the lights, Cole. This one's over.
Hooked up. Ah, shin breaker. Lita looking to get to the top rope. Look out.
Nailed it.
Oh, and she gets out of the way.
Oh, man, she's rolling now.
She reverses out of it.
And not a second too soon. Close call there.
Look at her go.
Ooh, what impact. She's countering nicely now.
Yeah, a second ago, she was almost done. She is on fire.
This might be it.
Oh, my. That's it. That's what she needed.
And if you thought the first one was brutal.
Oh, what a forearm.
That was dirty.
Vicious strike. This is going to be big, one way or another. Look at this. When she gets in attack mode, look out.
Ooh! High cross body.
Harsh impact. Just a step quicker, it looks like.
Woo-wee. What a strike. Right on the mark. Connects with a chick kick. What a comeback. Oof.
Momentum clearly in her corner. Powerbomb.
Wow, she's fought her way all the way back here.
Okay, here we go. Scoop slam. Look at this.
You gotta believe this one's over.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope. Ooh, what impact. Bad spot for her to be in here.
Maybe she's playing possum?
Maybe not. And she's back in the ring now. Ooh, right in the face.
Destroyed.
What a stomp. Good grief.
Nailed it.
She's in full control now.
Beautiful technique.
Oh, man, she's rolling now.
Oh, nasty impact.
Talk about dominating the action. Incredible impact.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
Whoa! This might be it. Oh, my. Back in the ring now.
Now Lita's playing it up big time now.
Here she goes. Back in the ring now.
I'm on my own against the wall. The pressure's building, but no, I will never
Well,
fall.
tag team matches are one thing, but make it 3-on-3 in a street times is good. Take a look.
I just love it when the women put on a show like that one. You can see right here the moments that made this match a great one.
Here are your winners, Lita and Bianca Belair.
What a back-and-forth battle that was. Now, that's the kind of win you can build some momentum off of. I couldn't agree more. What an amazing contest that was.